So prom day is coming fast, the brakes are all done and working well. Next job is to get the engine started. Now this engine has not run for I think about 7 years. I've checked it turns over okay, it's not seized, so I'm just going to go through a few things before I can get it started. The first job is the cooling system. So you can see on here where it's been sitting, there's some signs of coolant leaking out at the top there, and down here that hose there looks like it's been leaking. So I'm just going to take this off, clean it all up, see what's going on, and see what it needs to fix it. So now I've got that pipe off, you can see that the actual aluminium pipe there is pretty badly corroded, which is what's caused that leak. So we'll need to take that off the engine, have a closer look at it and see what we can do with it. So yeah, I can see that to repair this properly, I'm going to need to have a new one fabricated, or a new piece fabricated that could be welded on here. So longer term, I think that will be the plan. What I'm going to look at here is, can I cut this off here and get a piece of flexible hose that will do the job. Unfortunately I'll lose this nice drain that it's got on it at the moment. But if I can get a new one made eventually, or find a replacement part, then I can put that back on.